To transfer data from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy A37, we can use an app that is called Smart Switch, which is already available on our Samsung Galaxy A37 in the Samsung folder in App Drawer. Of course, on your iPhone, you probably do not have the Smart Switch app, so you can go to the App Store and then you can easily search for the same app. So we can type Smart Switch in here in order to try to find it. There we go. Here we have Samsung Smart Switch Mobile, so this is the app that we need to use. And let's open it once you install it, of course. So in here, we need to tap on Let's Go. Of course, any permissions that are required, you will have to grant them. All of them will pop up, of course, on the screen. And in here, we need to choose if you want to transfer the data via cable. So if you have a cable that fits both your iPhone and your Galaxy A37, then of course you can use it. But if you don't have a cable like that, then of course you can choose the wireless option instead. But before I actually move on, first on our Galaxy A37, we need to choose if we want to send or receive on this phone. So we need to receive, of course, since we want to transfer from the iPhone to our Samsung. Now in here, we need to choose our source. So in this case, it is iPhone/iPad. And then here we can also choose whichever method we want to use to transfer these files. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna go for the wireless option, and then over here we're gonna tap on next. Now soon we should get a QR code over here, which we will have to scan with our iPhone. There we go, and then we need to confirm that we want to join the Wi-Fi network. And now we need to just simply wait until both phones are connected together. There we go. Now here we have scanning, and afterwards you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer. So in my case, I just want to transfer images. I don't need to transfer anything else. So I'm gonna tap on the transfer in here. By the way, you can also tap on these arrows in order to choose specific files that you want to transfer. And one thing that you need to keep in mind is that unfortunately you cannot transfer everything from your iPhone to Samsung. And for example, apps, they cannot be transferred simply because apps on iOS are built in a different way compared to Android. So you will have to use the Play Store on your Galaxy A37 in order to download your apps. So let's tap on transfer. We need to stay on this screen until everything is transferred. And of course, the more data you have to transfer, the longer it will take, naturally. Over here, we are all done. So once you are done, you can just tap on close, and that's all you have to do. Of course, here soon we should see the information that we are done as well. And you might see a couple of additional information on your Galaxy A37 since you are transferring from iPhone to an Android. So if I go next, over here, we have this information that you want to probably turn off iMessage. Then let's go next. Over here, we have the information about getting your stuff from your iCloud. So here we can import from iCloud as well. And if we go next, we have the additional suggestions like the navigation style, the keyboard layout, and so on and so forth. So we can tap on a done, or if you want to, of course, you can go through these suggestions. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.